Dave, I'm back in my car. Mad week here. Mad week, which is why I've been literally off the radar for a while. My book is out on the 28th of April, and there has been a lot going on in the run up to that. The book launches in Dublin on May 6th in the Irish Writers Centre. If you are available at 6 to 8 pm and you're in Dublin and you want to come along, drop me a PM. One thing that's been happening, and I actually find this really wonderful in a way, the title is obviously in Irish. It's Dree-ocht Kyohl. And a lot of reviewers or people doing YouTubes on it will say, I don't know how to pronounce this. And then they'll either give it a go or they'll try to explain it. Yet nobody is complaining that it's in Irish. And Moon Books deserves as well a real thank you. They never once even questioned the fact that the title is Os Gaeilge. And now, while I'm far from a fluent Irish speaker, I do love the language, and I am desperately trying to incorporate it into my daily life at the moment. It's my big thing at the moment, is to try and speak Irish regularly. And I did brace myself maybe for a little kind of why is it in Irish and why is the title? And instead of which, there's just this lovely, even people who, they're in America, they're in the UK, they don't speak Irish, they don't know how to pronounce Irish, but a lovely, welcoming attitude towards the Irish title. And that has made me very happy. It's this is lovely. For me, this is just a lovely moment of, I'm so glad I didn't try to make it more marketable or more, English speaking or whatever. People, when you give them a chance, really lean forward for you. They embrace something that is unfamiliar, that is maybe a little difficult for them to say, and give it a go, or as I say, acknowledge they can't pronounce it, but not criticise it. Accept that this is an indigenous title in a native language, and go, okay, respect. I think people really surprise you sometimes, and this for me has been a kind of happy little surprise moment, and I wanted to share it with you. And 28th of April. So if you haven't ordered it yet, go order it. Bye.